yo.
What?
What up, what up?
I don't know.
What are we doing today? You want to go down and pick up some ladies?
No.
Come on, I bet you there's some pretty ladies down there. Let's go get some.
Candy.
What?
Candy.
Want to get some candy?
Yeah.
What's the matter with you?
Want candy.
You hear this? The boy wants candy. I want to go get some ladies.
Well, I'm gonna go get some candy.
Excuse me. Quit it. Oh, hey, there's a lady right there. Hey, hey. Hey, sister. Hey, come on over here. Give me a smooch, huh? Huh? Give me a smooch. What do you say? Ah, there you go. Big one. Oh, see, that's how you do it right there. Oh, very good. Oh, you're learning well. You're learning well. Okay, see you later.